Italy, Lodi Milano, Italy. Are you ready? World Outreach Prayer Mission Headquarters Lodi presents Revival Fire Conference 2025, taking place live at Milano via della Selva Greta 27 Acca Lodi 26900 Italy. Date Tuesday the 8th through Wednesday the 9th of July 2025. Time 5 p.m. daily. Host Pastor Tony E.O. Guest speaker Reverend Isaac Omolehi.
This your mouth that you are to use to prophesy, and they have blocked your mouth. In the name of Jesus, let your mouth open. This your eye that cannot see, and you are a seer thou art. Let your eyes open.
For inquiry, call the numbers on your screen. Milano, Lodi, Italy. It is your set time for miracle, blessings, open doors, and revival fire.